Quiet country living, yet within 6 miles of Cookeville city limits. This custom one-level brick provides 6.85 acres of usable land where outdoor living can immensely be spread out. Home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, generous-sized kitchen with eat-in area, a walk-in laundry room, large family room with vaulted ceiling, 2-car garage plus a full unfinished dry basement plumbed for an ad bath. The 30 by 40 barn workshop provides ample space for the storage of almost any extra possessions one might have. Plantings of blueberries and grapes and a large garden are located on the property. Located within 5.5 miles to Center Hill Lake. These 4 lots were combined by Cellar and Window Cliff Estates in order to provide added privacy. Any additional lot can be sold off later should new owner decide.